Back with another video today. It might be short because it's starting to rain. You should have made this earlier when it was when we were riding. Today it's gonna be like a little dirt bike video. Here's my dirt bike. It's a KLX. Is it KX or KLX?
It's your dirt bike. Shouldn't you know that?
I think it's KX.
Yeah, you're right.
I always get confused. It's a 100 2-stroke. The year is 06. Yeah, we've been riding all day today since like what, 10? Yeah, it's been about 10. Yeah, so we're gonna make some videos about that. And then here's his 4-wheeler. He was riding his.
Wait, we should actually be making this video like this. I just remembered that.
But we gotta hurry up because it's starting to rain. It might not be good because the rain and the loud dirt bike.
That's only his one hand, so.
I've done the donut before, but I always did it in first gear. I'm gonna try second and see how it does.
Yeah, at least I got that on video. There you go. I thought in my head as soon as you said that the second gear is probably gonna be too fast. You're gonna slide out.
No, I wasn't going that fast.
No, I mean like your tire's spinning, so it's gonna slide out from under you.
It's really slippery. It's slippery than what it was.
Yeah, 'cause it's raining. It wasn't raining when we started doing it. Ohio. When's it not gonna rain? Again! Oh, I did it again! Oh my god! Oh, this is funny.
That hurts my wrist.
Here, get the sexy Honda in there.
Can I do some donuts on your
Why? 100 likes, a video of him on my 4-wheeler.
I'm gonna try again.
We could try to do some wheelies. Let's keep that for another video because I'm sure that'll be funny. Yeah, maybe you should put it in neutral. I bet he called
Mm-hmm.
Goon riding. Wow. Look at the smoke behind you. Okay.